In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the true Made in Heaven here in Bizarre Lineage. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need White Snake. You can just get this from your standard stand arrow or lucky arrow as well. From here, interact with the bus stop, and you need to fast travel over to bus stop 1 because you need to make your way to the prison escape raid. So fast travel over to bus stop 1. Once you're here, if you just head southeast, just like straight up here, you'll see the prison escape raid, and then just start the raid with White Snake equipped. You're gonna need 2 lower key cards, get them from side quest or the raid shop, and then essentially find Joino Kujo, give her 1 key card and 1,000 cash, and then also go ahead and defeat Buki's Sea Moon. You get the Sea Moon mask, which you can evolve into Sea Moon, and then essentially find the weather report, give another key card and another 1,000 cash, and this is all in the prison escape raid. After winning, you'll get the true Made in Heaven, and that is it. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.